All right, for this week's StemVid is a request from Miss Rosado of Veterans Academy in Lee County. Now this StemVid is pretty simple. They asked, how do the moon's phases work? Now, since Miss Winkle and I just got back from running, I decided that I would take a video a little bit earlier about how the moon's phases work. So let's take a look. Take a look at the moon, as you can see it right there. Okay, now, let's take this rock, for example, as our little moon, and Miss Winkle with my extremely bright flashlight can be the sun. So, here's what's going to happen. Our moon goes around us on an elliptical pattern, which means it's not directly in front of the sun. Sometimes it is, and that's called an eclipse. Now, when it goes in front of the sun, this is what happens. It moves right in front. You can't really see my rock that well because the sun is shining on one side and it's casting a shadow because this isn't getting any light on the other. And as it starts orbiting, as it starts moving around, you can see the light starting to reflect on a new side. Now, this opposite side still has a shadow, which is why you see what you see up there right now, only a sliver of the moon. The sun is shining on that sliver part. Now, as the sun shines, it shines on the direct path on that entire part of the moon, the full moon, and then it moves all the way around, and it gets new light on that side. Okay, and then it goes all the way around until its orbital path is complete. Does that make sense? Here, I've got a picture for you that I drew up that'll give you an idea of the path of the moon and how the sun's reflection actually is what causes the moon's phases. All right, as you can see, the sunlight on the right side is shining on the light side of the moon. And as it goes around the Earth does not put a shadow or cast a shadow on anything. It's the sun's light that's being reflected and what we can see when we're facing that side of the moon. Isn't that cool?